What's the meaning of canker sore? Canker sore. Canker sore.
Canker sore. Canker sore. A canker sore, also known as aphthous ulcer, is a painful, small, round or oval-shaped lesion that appears on the inside of the mouth, on the tongue, or on the lips. It is typically white or yellowish in color and surrounded by a red halo. Canker sores are not contagious and their exact cause is unknown, although they may be triggered by stress, injury to the mouth, or certain foods. They usually heal on their own within 1 to 2 weeks, but over-the-counter remedies can help alleviate pain and discomfort.